Welcome back to COLLAB University. We are on lesson 104. You're posting, but you're not getting paid. Here's why. And y'all, I do have a special guest in the studio. You can see this arm. That's my husband. We are Brandon Monk, owner of Underwater Seafood and a real estate entrepreneur. We're waiting on an important phone call, so he's going to be up here with me for, I don't know, I'm recording 2 videos today for COLLAB University. So you might see that elbow in both of them. I'm not sure. Okay, so you're posting and you're not getting paid. Here's why. Today, we're going to be looking at a life coach. Her name is Keisha, and so we're gonna call her Coach Keisha for this lesson. But let's get into what's going on today. If people watch your content, like your post, and even leave comments and they are engaging but they're not buying, we need to dive into what the problem is. So, as you know, I always tell you guys, every customer or every client is going to have a psychological trigger. There's something that's keeping them from reaching the goal that we know that they can achieve. Let's take a look at Coach Keisha's psychological trigger. Keisha believes posting consistently will eventually lead to clients. She's waiting for the right audience to find her instead of giving her current audience a clear way to work with her. So we see this all the time. Sometimes they want to work with you, but they just get a little bit confused about how you can help them and what you actually do. Let's go over Keisha's client problems so we can determine what's going on. Keisha's client problem: she's posting motivational content daily, encouraging people but not directing them. There's no clear offer attached to the content. There's no booking link in bio, and there's no structure between content and conversion. One of the main things that I see people missing on some of their content is a call to action, also known as a CTA. What do you want them to do? Do you want them to follow you? Do you want them to give you feedback? Do you want them to purchase something? Do you want them to comment a word so you can DM them something in their inbox? What do you want them to do? Make sure that every piece of content that you create has a purpose and also has a call to action. The content will have a purpose when, before you even create the content, you're thinking, okay, what am I wanting people to do? I'm wanting them to, in Coach Keisha's case, she's wanting clients to sign up for her life coaching program. So all the content that she's putting out should be planting seeds that lead people back to wanting her coaching program. Hey, it's Andrea. Really quickly, are you still auditing our class? If you are, you need to enroll. First of all, subscribe to the channel, and second of all, join COLLAB University. It's a free course created for business owners, entrepreneurs, and creatives to be able to scale your business, grow it, and get to the monthly goal that you want to reach every month. No matter how small or big, courses start at the 100 level, and we're going all the way up to the 500 level. New courses are dropped every week, and it's free. At the end of the course, you do have the opportunity to become a certified make money strategist, and you can implement these tools right inside of your very own business, or you can become a certified make money coach, and you can teach other businesses, entrepreneurs, and brands the very same tools that you are learning here for free. Lastly, you can become a certified make money trainer, and you can take this system and create your own workshops, programs, sell it to corporations and organizations. The opportunities are endless. If you're interested, be sure to hit the link below and join us in COLLAB University. Class is in session. Next, we're going to look at her current model to see what she's doing wrong, and then we're going to fix it. Keisha's current model: she's posting encouragement videos. She's inspiring people daily. There's no service attached. There's no booking link. And she's hoping that followers become clients. Okay, so you know, here in COLLAB University, we have our signature make money method. And that's one message, one offer, and one system. So now we're gonna fix Keisha's broken method. So let's fix it. She needs one content message. She's gonna speak to one specific problem, whether that be clarity, confidence, or direction. And then she's going to present her one entry offer, a 1-hour clarity session for $75. Then she's going to have only one booking link, and it's a simple scheduling link in her bio. And it's gonna take the $75 fee, and then it's also going to send them the calendar so that they can book in her available dates. Let's break down her current model and go over why that won't work or why it's not working. She's posting encouragement videos. Motivation disappears. What she needs to teach people is whatever her signature framework is, whether that's on consistency and discipline, clarity on and taking things off of your plate that don't need to be there, things that are actually keeping you from reaching your goal, confidence on camera, confidence in the boardroom, confidence in the workplace. Whatever Coach Keisha's signature framework is, that's what she needs to focus on. The next thing is inspiring people daily, but she's not requiring any action from them. People can get inspired and encouragement from the Bible, but that doesn't mean that they're going to purchase anything from you because you're quoting scriptures or leaving motivational quotes all over the internet. You need to understand what your target audience needs, and you need to provide that need. You need to be the solution to that problem. And then there's no booking link, or if you do have a booking link, it's full of so many options that they get confused and they won't select any of them. What does she need to do first? Because we need to make some money. Keisha is going to record a video, and she's going to say, if you feel stuck and don't know what your next move should be, I'm offering a $75 clarity session this week. Then she's going to direct viewers to one booking link in her bio. Now her content has direction, purpose, and a conversion path. And you can also create an automation that whenever that word is put in the comment section, your link will automatically be sent to their inbox. And that is something that we can set up for you in the Lead Lab. So let's get into her system. She's gonna need a system so she can put her new system into place automatically. Let's hop into what that's gonna be. So once clarity sessions start booking, she's going to need confirmations that will be sent automatically. She's gonna need reminders to reduce cancellations. She's gonna want follow-ups to create repeat sessions, and session notes to turn into coaching packages. Instead of manually managing conversations, systems help turn one session into a long-term client relationship. So now we're getting into what we offer in the Lead Lab. Hey guys, it's Andrea. If you're ready to take what you're learning in COLLAB University and combine it with the system and the tech you need to push it over the edge, you need to come and join the Lead Lab. The Lead Lab is a CRM tool designed with the business and owner and entrepreneur in mind. But what makes the Lead Lab special is that not only do you get the tech and the systems that you need to scale and grow your business or brand, but you also get media marketing and branding strategy, as well as operations and logistics to help you reach your monthly financial goals. And we have two different options. The $299 option, we help you create everything, and for $399 a month, we'll do everything for you. So if this is something that you could benefit from, and I know that you can, click the link below to join the Lead Lab today. So in the Lead Lab, Keisha can set up for her confirmations to be sent automatically. So once the client makes the payment, they will automatically be sent an email with your booking calendar so that they can book their $75 clarity session. After the session, they will also be sent automatically. Before the session, they will receive reminders. So once Keisha starts booking these clarity sessions, confirmations need to be sent automatically, so you won't have to personally or manually send every email once someone books with you. And then next, they're gonna need to be sent reminder emails so they won't forget that you set up an appointment with them. After you guys actually have your session, you're gonna wanna follow up with them. You're gonna wanna see, hey, do we get everything covered in this session? You're also gonna wanna know if they wanna book additional sessions. If during your session you see that you can help them and you can create a plan for you guys to meet, then there's room for you to create a repeat client or a long-term client by implementing this system. Once you work with enough clients, you'll be able to see if there are any repetitions or any questions or problems that always come up during your sessions. Then you can take those tips and those strategies and book them into a course, and then you can start selling the course instead of one-on-ones, because eventually you're going to run out of time. You can only see so many people in a day. So we need to figure out how to package up everything so that you can sell the course on autopilot, and they can be a passive income stream for you. Those are all things that we can help you further with in the Lead Lab. If you have not joined the Lead Lab, do so. If you have not joined COLLAB University, do so. And I will see you next time on episode 105.